today's news headlines are international news headlines. The tariff on Chinese imports now effectively total 145%, confirms White House officials. European Union votes to implement countermeasures in response to US tariff on steel and aluminium. Russia launches new offensive in Ukraine, escalating tensions in the region. National news headlines. Periodic labor Periodic labor force survey shows urban labor force participation rising for both men and women. All India rate remains unchanged. PM Modi inaugurates 3,880 crore infrastructure and educational projects in Varanasi. Center increases material cost under PM Poshan scheme by 9.5% to enhance midday meals in schools. Sport news headlines. Sindhu and Rajawat exist early while Kapila Castro do advance to quarter-final at Badminton Asia Championship 2025. Los Angeles 2028 Olympics to feature more women than men, says Maricom, calling it a big opportunity for the current generation. Thank you and have a nice day.